Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maintaining your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. Today we will focus on replacing the rail and ring, ensuring your device operates efficiently. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this task. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Make sure you have a clean workspace and a cloth handy for any dust that may accumulate during the process. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the dust container. To do this, press the release button and pull the container away from the main body. This will give you better access to the internal components. Next, we will focus on the rail. Locate the screws securing the rail to the main body. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these. Keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you encounter any resistance, check for any hidden screws or clips that may be holding the rail in place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the rail away from the body. If it feels stuck, a little wiggling can help. Now let's inspect the rail for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it may be time to replace it. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now let's move on to the ring. The ring is typically located near the brush bar. Again, you will need your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding it in place. Carefully unscrew these and set them aside. Once the screws are out, gently lift the ring off. Inspect it for any cracks or wear. If it's damaged, replacing it will ensure optimal performance. Before installing the new rail and ring, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. If you need assistance with cleaning or repairs, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Now, let's install the new rail. Align it with the main body and gently push it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fastened to avoid any movement during use. Next, take the new ring and position it over the brush bar. Again, secure it with the screws, ensuring everything is snug. Once both the rail and ring are installed, it's time to reattach the dust container. Simply slide it back into place until you hear a click. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV14 and give it a test run. Check for any unusual noises or issues. If everything sounds good, you're all set. If you encounter any problems during this process, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And with no calls, no travel, we make it easy for you to get your Dyson back in working order. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy cleaning! Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.